What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new, then just do me a favor real quick. It takes 2 seconds, doesn't take that much of your time. Just give it a little, right there. I think it's right there. Just subscribe to the channel real quick because it's getting crazy. So I know you guys are gonna, everyone, new or not, I know you guys are gonna like what's coming. So just do me a favor real quick, subscribe, let me know what you guys think of this video. I probably should say that at the end, but I'm gonna say it in the beginning too. So if you've been seeing on my Instagram, then you probably already know what this video is about. It's yep, let me hear it. It's about the R34. If you've seen it on my Instagram, then you probably already know what's going on. If you haven't, then you will soon see. So today I'm gonna pick up the car and pretty much show you guys the results of how it came out, and pretty much show you guys what Ashton did with the car. And I think that's it. And actually, I'll probably throw in a couple other clips that I put together. Got some headlights, and I'll probably be doing some subframe work, just bushings. So I'll throw that in here too. But yeah, let's see how this video goes. I'm gonna try and do a better edit this time. I gotta work on my editing, I know that. So I'm going to try to make a decent video for you guys and try and boost up my content and to try and make everything look better, that's what we're here for, to improve. So stay posted, and I know you guys like to see Skyline shit, so you guys are gonna like it. Alright guys, just a quick pro tip here from your friend. So if your friends drink like you do, this will make them happy. I mean, that's not for me, but my buddy said if I could do him the favor, so I was like, you know what? Why not make this man happy and take him some beer? Because beer makes me happy, as you can see. This is my shit right now, man. Shout out to Ivan for these. But yeah. Be nice to your alcoholic friends. It'll do you good in the future. Trust me. Alright, Ashton's in action right now, so we're going to see if we can pull up on him. Spy boys.
Caught in action. When you find a trunk latch in the back of the R34, you make a bracket real quick before your boy gets here.
Last minutes.
What's up, dude? What's up?
White Claws.
Dude, some man right there. A little White Claw for bracket. I'm down. I'm down.
Alright. How do you feel?
Pretty good.
Satisfied?
Yeah. Are you?
Hell yeah, I'm satisfied as shit.
Zan.
Phil, what did you do?
Well, I found your trunk latch about, what, 30 minutes before you got here? So, Xander, hit the latch. So we went ahead and threw the trunk latch on real quick. Had to do a little extension. Found your cable. It was down there in that corner. So what we did is we chopped back everything that was damaged on this side. Unfortunately, you had quite a bit of a severe damage on the passenger side frame rail, so we chopped it back, square tube to reinforce the frame rails and actually basically build back in your frame rail. And then off your frame rail, we went ahead and threw your bash bar. Got a jacking point, nice V to go ahead and stabilize that, so you're not going to have any movement of your jack point. Then we went ahead and re-tinned in we cut out actually all the rusted quarter panel, and this whole entire back quarter used to actually flex in. Well, now you don't have to worry about that. The reason why this was aluminum and not steel is just in case later on you want to come back and get a rear-mounted fuel cell. You're gonna run stock fuel tank for now. I know you'll be back for a fuel cell, so that's why we went ahead and did that. Basically what we'll do is pull out all the Allen heads, and the Allen heads are actually into a nut insert that was inserted into your square frame rail, and we'll pop that out. build the mounts, and your fuel cell will go right there. But you know, wifey wanted to make sure that she can go ahead and take it to Stater Brothers and get some groceries and stuff. So we went ahead and, you know, make the wife happy. Happy wife, happy life. That's how it works. And then that's basically it. Went ahead and made the tinning for the back of your tail lights and gave Kylie Jenner her booty back.
Yeah.
My favorite part of it is definitely the trunk.
Yeah, dude.
She's complete, the booty. Now it's on you to finish everything else and bring her back to that cage.
Yeah, man, just trying to talk
him into it. So, if you guys think that the R34 needs a cage, go comment on his YouTube and just put Crawford Specialty Garage. Crawford Specialty Garage.
Yep.
Cage that shit, and I'll do the rest. I'll do the rest for the boy.
And there he is, for those of you guys that don't know.
And then that new.
Oh yeah, get the new one.
Where'd the new just go?
Oh, I put them in the glove.
New. Oh, in the glove box. Right there. You guys would like any stickers? Hit me up. So basically, Crawford Specialty Garage, Andy's Tires and Style Up. There it is.
Those dreams come true. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, doggy.
For the next one.
That were real.
All right, so
Fire.
we had the wheels here, but my man here,
Yes, sir.
taking them home.
Going to a good car. Very, very good car.
So look out for his shit. Just send
Absolutely.
me your @name later on. And
Got you.
I got you.
Yeah.
Man. That way you can check it
Oh,
out.
yeah.
You too, man.
What's up?
So,
All right.
yeah, they're sold.
Perfect. Good doing business.
Hell yeah, man. Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Cool.